Today we're testing your knowledge about your nose. Do you know what it means to have a deviated septum? Is the answer A, when you have excess mucus in your nose? Is the answer B, when your septum between your nasal passages is swollen? Or is it C, when the wall or septum between your nasal passages is moved to one side? We'll have the answer when we come back. Before the break, we asked you what it means to have a deviated septum. The answer is C, when the wall or septum between your nasal passages is moved to one side.
The septum is really what separates the right and the left sides of the nose all the way back. So it actually doesn't go up. It does go up, but not here. It goes straight back. It's composed of cartilage and bone, and either through trauma at birth or as we grow through puberty, or because of trauma related to sports injury or whatever other reason, the septum can deviate.
Do you want more Living Healthy content? Well, check out these videos right here, and then subscribe for more right here.